Hey guys, in today's tutorial we're gonna talk about how you can link a button to your page on WordPress. So, the first thing we're gonna do is of course go to our website. Let's go to pages, all pages, and after that we are going to go to let's say about this page. So, we have our page right here. What we're gonna do is we are going to go to the plus button right here. You can basically find this plus button anywhere, but we're going to go right here, left click on that. And if you can't find the button here, you're going to search for button, and here it is. So this is the thing we're searching for. It's buttons. After that, we're going to get this button right here with the add text text on it. So in the right side you can basically choose the style of the button. So there is a size, there is text or background color, there is padding, a lot of things, border, radius, outline even. So on the settings button you can basically choose the width, for example like this or like this. We're gonna choose it like this, and that's basically it for the editing of the button. When you have over that, you can basically see this icon right here, which is the link, and when you click on that it's gonna take you to the link we want. So let's see, that's, I don't know, let's see, we're gonna open WordPress dashboard in the new tab, and here on the pages we're gonna go to privacy policy, and just a second, we're gonna go to preview, and here we're gonna copy, for example, this, and we are going to paste that here, for example, and we're gonna click on link. So every time someone presses this button, it's gonna take us directly here, which is a page we have on our website. So thank you guys for watching today's tutorial. I hope I guys helped you, and see you in the next one. Bye.